Story of Three Fishes. In this story of Panchatantra, there lived three fishes in a lake named Daisy, Tulip, and Lily. They were very good friends, but all three are different in nature. Lily and Tulip are the most beautiful fish in the lake. Daisy is a very intelligent, thoughtful, and always took care of her friends. Tulip is very sweet and smart. Daisy and Tulip always believe in taking the decision after evaluating the situation, whereas Lily is very immutable. Lily always believed in fate. She believed that no one cannot change the situation. One day a fisherman and his friends were walking near the shore. They find that the lake is full of fish. They planned to come tomorrow to fish. One of his friends pointed out Lily and Tulip and said that they will catch both of them. As they got mesmerized with their beauty, they left that place while talking to each other. But Daisy listened to all the conversation held between the fisherman and his friends. Soon, Daisy came near to her friends and told them everything about them. She asked both of them to leave the lake with her. She said if we do not leave the place, then the fishermen will catch them tomorrow. She suggested we could shift to another place. Tulip and Lily got scared, but both stand out with different points of view. On one hand, Tulip agreed with Daisy and was ready to leave the lake and shifted into another by the canal, whilst Lily denied. Lily said, I cannot leave this lake. This is my home. I will not leave my home anyhow. Both of Lily's friends tried to console her. Daisy said, if you come up with us, we will build a new home. I promise we will always stay together. Tulip nodded and said, yes, we will take care of each other more. Also, we will get the opportunity to explore more, she added. But the stubborn fish could not get affected at all. In fact, she got angry with them, asked them to leave. Daisy and Tulip decided to leave the lake and shifted to another. They got emotional and said, let her face the situation and follow her course of action. The next day, the fisherman came with his friends. He threw his net to catch the fish. He got multiple fishes into his net along with Lily. She tries hard to come out, but it is unfortunately unable. Sooner realized that if she followed her friends, she would be safe with them. Moral of the story: the three different fish story has one of the most important lessons to learn from it. It is important to act wisely when anticipating a problem. This story, among many other stories from the Panchatantra, not only inspires children but also teaches them valuable life lessons such as wisdom, intelligence, the value of time, and many others. It's always good to be thoughtful or at least intelligent and resourceful because planning ahead makes life easier. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.